Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide name and message preview on WhatsApp notification on your iPhone. First, you'll need to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down until you see WhatsApp. From here, you're going to tap on Notifications. Then right where you see banners, you're going to tap on that as you want to disable that. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on WhatsApp notification settings, and it will carry you right here. And from here you're going to tap on show preview and you're going to disable that. And that's it. That's how to hide name and message preview in WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.